This week's guest on Yardstyle Live is Hudson Grant.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. He's a member of the Jamaica Ex-Soldiers Association.
Correct.
Yeah, so today, we are putting well, soldier on the thing today. You see me?
See.
Yeah, army thing.
Zimmy.
Yeah, on Yardstyle Live. So, you know, so it's an extension of our reach to where Yardstyle Live is.
Bless you.
Music, entertainment, and how it intertwined with the Jamaica Ex-Soldiers Association. So, Hudson Grant, I have to shape back here and again. Now, I have to get up and
Pleasure. Sir.
salute. Yeah, man.
Bless you.
Yeah, man. I'm just being farmer, you know? Because I don't want to get court-martial, so I make sure I be farmer.
And that we'll do, you know.
Yeah,
so.
man. So,
it's all about the discipline.
welcome to Yardstyle Live. But let me ask, what motivated you to be a part of the military?
All right, but before I answer that, I want to say thanks for inviting us. And I see you start with a prayer.
Yeah.
And to me, that is very touching because we have to remember reverence. And not to show gratitude is to show ingratitude.
Yeah,
so
man.
I salute you on that.
Yeah, man. Respect.
And I wish for your Yardstyle life endless opportunities.
Well, from what put God in it, you know, the possibility is
Endless.
endless. You understand? Because God, when Him are blessed with, there's no limitation.
Thank you.
So
and
the
we
prayer,
never say God no bless us too
Yeah.
much neither, right?
yeah, that's why I may have said this, you know. I mean, I said this right before you in the word.
Yes.
You see this little thing, they must say, fill my cup till it overflow.
Yes.
Stop say that prayer there. Because right now, we don't want our blessing overflow. We want to get halfway, 3/4 full because you in the army, you must know anything will overflow, want to it.
Waste.
All right. So God, fill my cup, half it, quarter.
Maintain it.
All right.
Yes.
So if I get quarter, I'm good with it.
Blessing.
Yeah,
That's
but
to
that's
show
a-
gratitude.
Yeah, man.
So to your question, what motivates me to join the army? I have a cousin, Harold Sterling, and he was one of the most neatest dressed soldier that I could have ever looked at.
Yardstyle Live.